Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We'll start up our 57 F100. Got electric fuel pump. Oh, I gotta give it a little gas. Blinker to the left. Blinker to the right. There you can see the tack working. Exhaust loud enough, I'll have to check the fan. I think it works, but wipers, just the one wiper's working, so no horn. It's got exhaust, it just pumps out right to the side there, so it's pretty loud. Got dual fans, aluminum radiator, headers. That whine you hear is gear driven